Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 6, and today we'll explore the Coohom pricing process in detail and also learn how you can reduce costs using my exclusive promo codes. So, let's dive right in. Open your browser and type coohom.com. Once the home page opens, look at the top. Navigation menu. Click on the pricing option in the top menu. This will open the Coohom pricing page, where you'll see different subscription options. Here, you'll see two main subscription categories: Coohom Pro, Coohom Elite. At the top of each plan, the subscription price and any available discount will be clearly shown. On the right side, you can change the currency to your preferred one. Coohom Pro offers 4 different types of subscriptions, while the Elite plan offers 2 types of subscriptions. Below the subscription, there is an option where you can adjust the quantity of subscriptions by clicking the plus or minus icons. For example, if you increase the quantity, the price will also increase accordingly. At the bottom, you'll see options like Start Now or Pay Now, where you can proceed with your payment method. On the right, you'll also find an option to share the pricing page with others. Let's first take a look at the Pro subscription. Pro offers several choices. Monthly, $3.30. Annual, $33. 1-year subscription, $39. 1-month subscription, $3.90. To purchase, select the subscription you prefer. Click on Start Now. A payment page will appear where you can choose your payment method. Enter your card number, expiration date, security code CVV, and select your country. At the bottom of the payment page, you'll see the total amount. Right above this, there's an option to enter a promo code. Now here's the exciting part. Enter my exclusive promo code, Home Designer. This code gives you 73% off on all Pro plans. For example, if the subscription is $39.60 after applying the promo code, it reduces to $32.40. So, you save instantly by just applying the code. Now, let's move on to the Elite subscription. Elite offers only 2 options: monthly, $19, annual, $300. But here's the best part. You can use my exclusive promo code HD Elite to get 10% off on all Elite subscriptions. For example, monthly plan reduces from $19 to $17. Annual plan reduces from $300 to $270. So, as you can see, with my promo codes you can save big on both Coohom Pro and Elite plans. For Pro, use Home Designer, 73% of. For Elite, use HD Elite, 10% of. Don't wait too long. These offers are time-limited. Grab your subscription now and start designing without limits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video where we'll move forward to the next step of our masterclass. Until then, happy designing!